Hi, this is Christina with WTI. Have you been searching for the perfect concealer? Well, here's the Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Concealer. This concealer is one of my favorites. It works perfect. So it will actually give you this perfect airbrushed look, but actually feels very weightless on your skin, which is very important to me because usually to get that perfect airbrushed look, you have to put on a ton of product or you feel like there's a lot of this cakey feel on your face or your face feels very oily. And this concealer does none of that. You can barely feel anything on your face and it will last for hours. So I actually apply this around 6 a.m. in the morning, and when I get home in the evening, it looks the same as when I applied it in the morning. So that's very important to me, but I can tell you it also comes in a ton of different shades. So there's about 5 shades that match me perfect. I go with this one because I just prefer this color the most. It's the Sepia color, but there are a ton of shades that I can use as well. So there's a lot of variety with the shading of this concealer. And I really like the applicator. It really helps you get this precise look when you are applying the concealer on your face. So all of these things are very important in concealer. So if you are looking for a really good quality concealer that will get rid of your dark circles, your blemishes, and give you that perfect airbrushed look, but you also don't have to reapply for hours, this is probably the concealer for you, but that's just my point of view.